Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about heating element 120V/1kW for Hobart part number 961358. A heating element is an electrical component that converts electrical energy into heat energy. The Vulcan Hart part number 961358 is a 120V/1kW heating element for use in Vulcan Hart commercial cooking equipment. This heating element is designed to provide a consistent and reliable source of heat for cooking and other applications. It features a stainless steel construction, which makes it resistant to corrosion and rust, and it has a maximum wattage of 1 kW. The heating element also features an adjustable thermostat that allows you to control the temperature of. This part fixes the following symptoms. This heating element is used to replace a faulty or damaged heating element in Vulcan Hart ovens. It can fix symptoms such as the oven not heating up, not reaching the desired temperature, or taking too long to heat up. Here is how you install this part. 1. Turn off the power to the Vulcan Hart appliance. 2. Remove the access panel from the appliance and locate the existing heating element. 3. Disconnect the wiring from the existing heating element and remove it from the appliance. 4. Install the new heating element into the appliance, making sure that it is securely fastened in place. 5. Connect the wiring to the new heating element, ensuring that all connections are secure and properly insulated with electrical tape or heat shrink tubing. 6. Replace the access panel and turn on power to the appliance. You can buy this part from www.PartsFPS.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.PartsFPS.com.
Visit www.PartsFPS.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.